Hello, my name is Martina Domino, and I'm from Louisiana in the United States of America. Today, I will be reading my book, W World Kids, What in the World is the Coronavirus? Hi there, my name is Jalen, and I'm a W World Kid from the United States of America. W World Kids are from all over the world. We help kids just like you learn about different people, places, things, and more. We answer lots of questions about who, what, when, where, and why. You're going to learn so many things with us. So, let's begin. If you are a kid just like me, I know you may be thinking, what in the world is the coronavirus? We can't play outside with friends. We can't go and see our grandparents. We can't go to birthday parties. We can't go to the movies, all because of the coronavirus. So, what is it? Well, I'm here to help you learn all about it. The coronavirus is a virus. A virus is a germ that you can't see. If these germs get inside your body, they start a big germ party. That is when you get sick with an illness called COVID-19. People catch this virus mostly when sick people cough, sneeze, or talk. The germs come out of their mouth or nose. You can breathe it in without even seeing it. You can also catch the coronavirus by touching a germy table or doorknob. You can catch it by touching a germy toy too. My mom says we need to wash our hands to keep the germs from getting inside of our bodies. When we wash our hands with soap and count to 20, we know they are all clean. Most kids like you and I will not get very sick if we do catch the coronavirus. My oldest brother has asthma, so he must be very careful not to catch it because it would make it more difficult for him to breathe. That is why it is important to stay inside so we do not make others sick. Last week, my dad seemed healthy. He said he did not feel sick and did not have a fever either. He had a small cough and was just sleepy. His manager sent him to take a COVID-19 test. The results were positive for coronavirus. The doctor told him to isolate himself inside of the house for 14 days. Dad's body fought the coronavirus, and now he's better. When Dad caught the coronavirus, Mom and I took a test too, but our results were negative. Other people are not so lucky. They can become very sick. People like Grandma and Grandpa have a hard time fighting the coronavirus because their bodies are not as strong. Mom says we must practice social distancing and talk to them on the phone or computer to see them and keep in touch. If you or someone in your home has to isolate because you or others are sick, you can do some of these fun activities to keep from being bored. Puzzles, Legos, coloring, video games, reading, learn a foreign language, or watch television. At first, I thought staying inside would not be fun, but it was actually kind of cool. My mom brought everyone breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks to our doors. I did not have to leave my room for anything because I had so many fun things to do. I just made the best of it. Once it's safe to roam freely again, do not forget to wear a mask. Those coronavirus germs could flow right in your mouth or nose. Yuck! Doctors and scientists all around the world are actively working to develop the perfect vaccine for us all. Though we haven't developed a perfect vaccine, the one we have is being given to doctors, nurses, and other first responders. Once most people get vaccinated, we will once again be able to go outside with friends, go and see our grandparents, go to birthday parties, and go to the movies. So remember, be safe, stay inside, cover your coughs and sneezes, do not touch your nose or mouth, and wash your hands. This will keep us all safe. Until then, everyone in the world must keep following the rules to keep each other safe. Us W World kids, too.